Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a beach volleyball court that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with our court, starting with a pair of 16 by 16 stud plates. Place those side by side, and I want to begin locking them together with a 2 by 2 round brick with crosshoe. Set that right there, right on the seam. Now I'm going to proceed down with a pair of 2 by 6 plates. Reinforce that seam, and then another round 2 by 2 brick with crosshoe. For the bottom of our net, start with a 1 by 10 plate. Next, I want to set down a pair of 1 by 6 flat tiles where the tiles are hanging over by one stud. Then we're going to flip it over. Take a pair of these studs that have a stick hanging off the side. I want to set these on in such a way where the sticks are sticking out on both ends. Let's start with a 1 by 10 plate for the top of our net. I'm going to set down a set of 1 by 4 by 2 lattice fences to where the end fences are hanging over by one stud. Then I'm going to take a pair of studs with a side stick, place these on both ends right underneath our fences. Make sure that the sticks are facing outward. For our net support poles, take a number 2 cross axle extender. I'm going to place a set of 2 stud long cross axles on both ends and a number 1 cross axle extender on one end to where these holes are facing in the same direction. Then I'm going to take a set of friction pins with stud, place these in to where the stud is, well, of course, on the top. Let's make 2 of these. Let's assemble our net. So take one of our poles. I want to stick this stick inside the friction pin. Now you want to be careful because this is where it gets a bit critical at first. So I'm just going to slowly put those in. Now the other side is just as delicate. So I need to kind of work very slowly with this one. So I'm just going to tack one of these in and just slowly push those together. And just get that right in there. So we have our net assembly. Let's place these 2 cross axles in these 2 cross holes. Just set that right in there. And we'll just press this down, but be sure to hold on to the number 2 Technic cross axle extenders. Make sure everything's really pressed down firm to securely attach our net to the base.